I'm Ayden, and I'm currently studying in HZ, University of Applied Sciences in Vlissingen, and I'm majoring in international business. I'm an exchange student from Thailand, and I'm 20 years old. It was very easy to apply here. The international office was very helpful and very attentive to what I need. They find me housing and my visa application. They sorted out everything for me. At HZ, I'm following the student company program. Our team and I were selling portable coffee machines, and I was a supply chain lead. And it was a very hands-on experience for me, and we get to have hands-on approach. And it was a really realistic way of handling business in the business world. It is very easy to make friends here, and it's a strong sense of international community where everyone knows each other. And I met them through my residence as well as the activities outside of my classes. I like going to the beach here in Vlissingen and also enjoy the lively city in Middelburg. The highlight of the exchange here was cycling. I cycled to Germany and to France, sometimes bikepacking, and we can't really do that in Thailand, so it was the highlight. I would tell the upcoming exchange students not to be anxious and nervous about anything. Everything is well arranged and people are very nice here, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to make friends.